you can reach the alternator here if you can see where it goes, but it's also easier to get underneath the truck. Don't have to really jack up or anything. Ow! You just gotta make sure you have the clamp like I have. Make sure. Yeah, I swear I got this before. Wow. Okay, so I have it at the positive post on the alternator. And we're also going to put the negative lead on the post here. And now we're also reading 6 volts there as well. Yeah, so there's also 6 volts running at the alternator as well, meaning that only 6 volts is supplying